Just like the Magic Kingdom.
No. Okay, for you people, just come on. What we're trying to get the dog to do is go on the other side of the sheep to bring them to us. We don't want him pushing them away from us. What he's doing is, best defense is good offense. He figures if he can scare them, they won't hurt him. So I'm showing him that the sheep will move away from him easily. He doesn't need to be afraid. And then he can get over there by himself.
Mine, I had 2 8 and a half. She was
But you want him going around. You want him going around.
I thought I had to come up. Circled.
Well, she hurts everything else. You would think that. That could be interesting.
That's how guys are in court in a storm, you know.
Well, my friend is a tourist and she sees it, and I mean, and he's 9 years old, and he's like, oh my God, I didn't know I could do all this stuff, you know? He's just been like pumping Molly airborne.
Come here. Oh, you're going to go.
Oh, this should tire her out.
We have to worry if you find that sheep says she's for $150 a sheep.
Uh-oh. Oh. Now they tell us.
Keep walking away. Walking away.
Take him and walk him away.
All right.
Don't do anything bad. It's just going to get him more revved up.
And you don't really want to scold him for being interested in sheep.
I think what it is that she's scared of him. That's how she.
All I'm doing with him is practicing going around. Throwing him and then moving real nice and easy from him. There's no reason to be afraid. There's no reason they have to get tough. They're going to move from him without a problem. That a boy. Good. Good job. Good job. Come on, buddy. Come on.
The girl. I know she's on gender issues.
To me, all good dogs are girls.
That's right. I've never had a boy dog.
We just had little Leo, the foster.
Oh, yeah.
Days. He was fun.
And taught Annie to play, sort of.
Yeah.
She's going to get dizzy. Oh, yum. Yum.
They're really good stuff. That's probably what he's going to do.
He's got to stop diving in like that into